Meaning of lifespan.
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 Lifespan. Lifespan refers to the length of time that a living organism or entity is able to survive, function, or remain in existence. It generally refers to the period of time between an organism's birth or creation and its death or destruction. The lifespan of different species and entities can vary widely, and may be influenced by factors such as genetics, environmental conditions, and lifestyle factors. In humans, for example, the average lifespan is currently around 72 years, but this can vary significantly based on factors such as diet, exercise, and medical care.